All right, we have some news just coming in. Tollywood choreographer has now been booked for molestation, is what we are picking up. The choreographer sexually assaulted an actor. Johnny Master molested me at outdoor shoot is what the actor has said. Apurva has more details. Apurva, this is shocking. Get us more details about what happened. When is this incident from?
What we are getting to know is that zero FIR had been filed against choreographer Johnny. That's what we're getting to learn. In fact, the victim here, she's also apparently one of a dancer and a choreographer, and what she has said is that during several of her shoots and travels with choreographer Johnny, allegedly she was sexually assaulted. That's what she is saying. In fact, the victim has also accused him of sexually assaulting her for months together in across various locations on their shoots, be it in Mumbai, Chennai, or also in fact in Narsingi as well in Hyderabad city limits. What we are getting to learn is that zero FIR has been filed, booked. The accused has been booked under clauses 2 and N of section 376, 506 and 323 of the IPC. That's what we're getting to learn. In fact, the police are also saying that they are interrogating, they are looking into all angles of this investigation that has come forward. In fact, the victim there also, she is known to be one of the famous choreographers. She's also said that this is not the first incident of sexual assault that she's alleging against him, but also several other instances where he has also sexually assaulted her. That's what she is, telling the police.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Apurva, getting in those details from Vijayawada, reporting on that incident there. Telugu choreographer sexually assaulted actor. The actor has made these revelations now. Several questions being raised about how these allegations are now surfacing. This particular case has now been reported involving an actor when she said that Johnny Master molested me at my house, as well as what the actor has said.